up, guys? I know I haven't uploaded in a hot minute. I know I've been gone from the YouTube game for a bit, but anyways, I'm back now, and I figured I might as well come back with a banger. You may notice in the background I have a different car now. I got a 2006 Honda Accord, new. Well, let's be real, it's new to me. I'm gonna do a quick little walk around of it. Hey, as you can see, this car is almost stock, no tint. We are officially fishbowl material. I ain't gonna show the tag because, you know, Mexico activities. We got a catback exhaust. Let me give y'all a closer look. Got a catback exhaust going all the way back to the cat. This is a DNA motor and catback exhaust. I got it from Amazon, I'm not gonna lie. And I'd say it's in pretty good condition. It's much heavier than my old Civic, but you can still have fun in it. It's not really about the outside, it's also about what's up under the hood and the interior, which I will get to in a minute. About to pop the hood for y'all real quick, take a look at what's inside. Alright, so as you can see, this is a K-Series motor. This is the K24A2, I believe. I'll give you a quick little view. This is the K24A2 bone stock. I have nothing done up under the hood right now. I plan to do something about the air intake and the throttle body and the intake manifold, and eventually go all motor. That's the long-term goal. But yeah, let's do a little bit of POV drives. And one more cool thing I like about this car, a lot of people don't know this. There's this little feature with most JDM cars. All you gotta do, take the unlock button, excuse me, and press it and hold it down, and voila, rolls down all the windows for you. Guys, if you made it this far to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Editing the video right now, and I just realized I haven't filmed the proper outro. So if you've not done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Also, please check out my clothing brand. I'll leave a link in the description. Y'all have a good one.